I don't really want no friends. I don't really want no friends, no. Draco got that kickback when I blow that. They all do track, they don't shoot back. One shot, close range, right down head tie. Yeah, I did that. Yeah, I lived that. Call up Uber with my shooter.
Hey y'all. Last week I posted a haul for you guys that included things that I purchased from Sephora that were all Tarte. And I said, you guys, if you leave me notes, comments, hit me up, DM me, let me know if you guys want to see a tutorial with these products. And so, you guys did. So, we're here. So, I have all of the Tarte products for us. I even brought in blush and primer. So, we'll be able to do the full run through, show you guys how the product lays and everything. So I'm really excited for this, you guys. So without further ado, let's get into this video. Y'all like my little ponytail I got going on for y'all? Like, this was my look today. I was really feeling myself, so I did this just for y'all. Hope y'all like it. Alright, so I'm just gonna take my hair, pin it back. Okay, so we're gonna start with primer, you guys. Okay, so this primer is the Tarte Quench primer. Doesn't really smell like anything. Can y'all see that? It's like a kind of got a blue tinge to it. Alright, so this is part of the Rainforest of the Sea collection. So it's super liquidy. I'm pretty sure this will be very hydrating for people who have dry skin. There was another primer that I was going to get, but I didn't because my skin is kind of going through it right now with these breakouts. Yeah, so we got this one. Okay, so feels pretty good. Okay, so if you guys remember, I purchased the Amazonian Clay Full Coverage Airbrush Foundation from Tarte. Looks like this to give you guys a little reminder. And I purchased the color Rich Sand. Okay. So this is my first time trying this, guys. So I really don't know what it's going to look like. This is what you guys are here for, to tell me what it looks like, if we like it, if we don't. So, cute little top or whatever. It's got a little sifter in it. So, they recommend their, what is it called? The Airbuki Bamboo Powder Foundation Brush. Yeah, no. So, we don't have that. So, I'm going to use what I feel like is most similar to it, which is one of my Morphe brushes. Yeah, so other than that, we'll follow the directions as achieved. So let's start with more of a sheer coverage, see how we like it, and then buff the full coverage if we feel like we need it. So I'm taking the brush to the sifter. We're pushing it, we're pushing it. Tap away excess. Go. Powder.
I don't really want no friends. I don't really want no friends, no. Draco got that kickback when I blow that. They all do track, they don't shoot back. One shot, close range, right down head tie. Yeah, I did that. Yeah, I lived that. Call up Uber with my shoe.
Just dropping stuff, you guys. Okay, guys. So, how do we feel about the coverage of this? I feel like the coverage is very flawless. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I think the foundation is a little bit too dark for you, girl. Okay? Here's why. This side of my face has like a golden undertone, so this is a little bit cooler. Okay? Can you guys see now? Yeah. So, definitely a difference. But you know what? Whatever. We got it. Maybe it'll look better when I put the concealer on, okay? So, I'm going to do the other half. I mean, it feels really good, you guys. Like, I like it so far. It's just the color. Oh, I got a hair in my lash. Oh my god. You guys, what am I saying? I got a hair in my eyeball. Hair in my lash. What is that? I don't know what I'm talking about. Alright, so feels very light. I put it on what I would consider to be full coverage. It's very flawless, very airbrushed, so they got that working for them. Alright, so now that we've tried that guy, I'm going to go in with their creaseless concealer in the color Rich Golden. So it's kind of a thing, Rich Sand, Rich Golden. This sounds more promising, so let's hope it works, okay? So there's the color, 55G is the packaging. Okay. So to apply this guy, I'm going to be using my Eco Tools Perfecting Applicator Sponge. It's just this little guy. This is Eco Tools. Okay. So I'm just going to go ahead and take the one and... Ooh, it's like a little ink. Well, wish me luck, guys. This is...
I don't really want no funds, no. Draco got that kickback when I blow that. They all do track, they don't shoot back. One shot, close range, right down head tie. Yeah, I did that. Yeah, I lived that. Call up Uber with my shooter. With a Ruger, we gon' do your niggas say they killing people, but I really fucking do it. I don't really want no friends. I don't really want no friends, no.
He tryna 69 like Takashi, call him Papi, worth the ASAP, keep me rocky. I'm from New
I'm
York.
just putting a little bit more because it's a little bit too dark. Alright, so I feel like that does a pretty good job. I mean, it feels a little tacky, but whatever. So to set it, we're going to use the Rainforest of the Sea Filtered Light Setting Powder. And this one I have used. And I freaking love it, you guys. It smells like marshmallows, cake batter, one of them. Y'all can't smell them, but yeah, it smells so good. So I'm going to take a little bit into the cap. Like that much. I'm going to use the side of my Eco Tools Perfecting Applicator to dab in there and to set my under eye and my lid.
Hey yo, Draco got that kickback. When they kick back, you can't get your shit back. In fact, it's that bitch that I hate small talk. I don't fuck with chit chat. AC just stopped working, so they hit me, told me.
So we're gonna let this sit for a couple minutes. Come back and dust her off. Be back with you loves. So we're back and it's time to dust her off. Okay, so I'm just gonna use my Real Techniques powder brush. I'm gonna tap into it a little bit just so I can set the rest of my face while I'm wiping off extra excess. I mean, so far so good. I mean, you guys, it's not too bad. Okay, so me likey. So now I am just going to get blush. The blush color that I'm using is called Party. So it's like this color. Focus. Maybe not. And I'm going to use my Morphe blush brush. Now, this is not my favorite color, but I already had this Tarte blush, so I'm just going to use it. I want y'all in the comments saying, girl, that blush is not the right color for you because, hunty, thank you, sis, but I know. But it does the job for now, you know? Okay. Okay, so Tarte blush on. Now let's go in with the highlighter, baby, and kill them. Yes, ma'am. Highlighter just has to do something for us. So it's called Twinkle Stick. And I got it in the color called Spotlight. So it comes in a little stick like this. And I feel like even though like I want to say apply with a brush, I'm just gonna, alright, no. Let's apply with a brush first. So I'm gonna use my Morphe fan brush and kind of just like swipe back and forth on it a little bit and see if I can pick up any product. Because if this comes out like a swatch, that's gonna be real bright on a sister. And oh, it's creamy, you guys. Oh, okay, maybe the brush won't work. I feel like I need a sponge for this. Alright, so you guys, pray this looks right, okay? Oh, y'all
Got the right one.
okay, one, it's really pretty, but it's kind of what I was afraid of using the stick to swipe. Like, it was going to come out with, like, one strong, like, motion, you know? Oh, you guys. Brush is not working. Okay? So, plan 2. Where the heck is my sponge? Because that's what we need. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm just going to use the same guy, the side that I had the setting powder on, and just kind of like blend this out a little so it's not just like a gold line. But I am going to bring it up a little because I do like the color. whatever. Screw the brush. We're going gangster. Okay?
I don't really want no friends. I don't really want no friends, no. Draco got that kickback when I blow that. They all do track, they don't shoot back one shot close range.
Okay, so all in all, it does look good. Alright, so natural lip color now. The gloss shade that I got is called Out of the Office. So it's like a purpley color. Yes, last time when I did the video I had like a pink color, but like I really had to go back and get this one. So this one was like calling my name, so I went back and I got it. So today in this video we're gonna be using this color instead. So like it's like a purpley pink, but you girls loving it. So, and it's super moisturizing, you guys. If you guys ever want to try the H2O glosses, like they were just giving me life. So last but not least, we have these lashes. Ooh la la. Second now. Alright, so I got Girl Boss. Yeah, so it's supposed to add dramatic length and layered dimension. So let's pop these bad babies out. Okay guys, so everything is on.
You got the right one. Call him Papi, worth the ASAP, keep me rocky. I'm from New York, so I'm cocky. Say he fucking with my posse. Caught me Chloe like Kardashian. Keep this pussy in Versace. Said I'm pretty like Tanashi. Put it all up in his face. Did I catch a case? Pussy gang just caught a body, but I never leave a trace. Face is pretty as for days. I get chips, I ask for lace. I just sit back and when he done, I be like, yo, how it taste? Yo, how it taste?
I don't really want no friends.
Alright guys, so thanks for watching my video. I appreciate you guys so much. Make sure you like, hit that subscribe button. Let your girl know how you like the video. Drop a comment. Tell me what you want to see next. Also, make sure you follow me on social media. I'll be posting upcoming videos, letting you guys know what's going to be coming out. So make sure you look forward to that. Hit that bell icon. Get all these notifications about my videos so you guys can rock with me with this. You know, try out some new stuff. Show the love, you guys. Share the video if you like it. I appreciate you guys so much for watching my video. And stay tuned for next time. Peace.